Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete an account on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. And guys, of course, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to DHgate videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see here, we have the search bar and we have all of the categories on your profile, also on this website. Also in the top right corner, we have your name where you can hover over it and see everything there. We have your recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete an account on DHgate. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how you can do it in a few steps. First of all, you need to go to the top right corner again and click on My DHgate out of all of these options. Then, when you're here, guys, you'll have plenty of options. You'll have shortcuts for my orders, my favorites, my drop shipping, purchase history, my coupons, my profile, privacy management, notifications, and at the end, what we need, delete my account. You just need to click here. Click that you want to permanently delete your account, and then guys, just click continue, delete, and your account will be deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.